YouTube. We are in the beautiful Monaco. So I am dressed like a millionaire.
Any of these yachts yours, Gary?
My yacht is parked right there. Maybe it costs $50-60 million, but you know, I'm thinking of upgrading. So yeah, we're in Monaco. It's a beautiful day. We're only here for the day. We are heading out to Saint-Tropez tomorrow. So we had to do a stopover destination. I have been to Monaco once before. I have been to Monaco before, and I thought, you know what, let's stop again. And
it's a beautiful place.
It's a beautiful place. Check out the city, walk around the colorful streets, get some nice cuisine. The receptionist was just telling us that their cuisine is a mixture of French and Italian because they're in the middle of France and Italy. So let's see. But here's more yachts. It's so hot out here in Monaco. We are looking for matcha latte in Starbucks.
We found a Starbucks.
We found a
Let's
Starbucks
hope they
almost.
have matcha.
And this is the King's Palace, the Prince Palace, I don't know. It's someone's palace. And I don't know if you can see there's Starbucks there somewhere.
Very happy because we found our matcha. Look at the size of Gary's one.
Simple things in life always that makes you happy, isn't it? Guys, check out the colors of Monaco. When you think of Monaco, you really think of Monaco as like a metropolitan city with massive buildings everywhere, but it's really not the case. They've got this old part that they've really well maintained, and it's just absolutely stunning. We were here last time as well, and we're literally walking down the same street. So beautiful. Very pretty around here. So we found a shop that we might be able to pick up a drone from. So I think we're gonna catch a taxi, go there, and I think I'm gonna get myself a Mavic this time. It's a little bit heavier. It captures 4K. I used to have a DJI Spark, which was easy to carry, but I think Mavic probably makes more sense. So let's see if we can end up finding a drone. Behind me is the famous Monte Carlo Casino. Tonight is the night I become a millionaire. Bonsoir people. So we are still at the Monte Carlo casino 3 hours later.
Gary did a lot of pokey machine time.
So I'm not a gambler, right? So the only thing that I know how to play is pokies.
Because all you do is press a button basically.
Yeah, maybe know a bit of a blackjack, but that's about it. So I was just sitting there for a couple of hours. At one point we won 25 euros.
And blew it all away.
And we blew it all away. So we're now having dinner.
At the Les Salons Rose.
At the Les Salons Rose, which is within the casino. And to enter the casino, I think it's like 17 euros per person. But beautiful view.
Bonsoir mon ami. We're just sitting down for our main course. I got the salmon with the ratatouille, and Gary went for the classic French dish, which is the beef and fries, and his red wine from Bordeaux, where we are off to in a few days.
It's really nice. It's actually very rich, beautiful wine. And I still haven't won anything.
So we're gonna dig right in.
On the drone. Papa? He's like, Papa, you buying me?
Gary is very happy.
If I lose this, or if this goes cray-cray, I will lose my shit. I will literally go to DJI Mavic. I don't want to do anything.
On s'aime, on est plus fort puisqu'au final on s'aime. Et si toutes nos différences étaient faites pour nous rapprocher, combattre ensemble l'ignorance, on viendra dans se raccrocher. On est tous capables de sourire, tous capables de souffrir. Pour ce on va plus vite, ensemble on va plus loin. Si l'espoir est vivant, il faut pour demain. C'est le même jeu qu'on remet. dans mon soldat qui la rend plus facile, ouais. On travaille sans aucun répit pour nourrir le foyer et rendre fier sa famille, ouais. Le même plaisir de voir les siens.
So it seems like Monaco is the place to be. Damn it, we just missed it. It was a flash mob. Oh, they're going again. Guys, if you enjoyed tonight's video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. I will see you guys tomorrow in Saint-Tropez. Ciao for now.